Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chime's travel notification feature. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to log into your Chime account. So just open the Chime mobile app on your device and log into your account, or you can also go to Chime's website and log in your account there. Step 2 is to access travel notifications. So just tap settings in the bottom navigation bar and then choose the travel notifications option. Step 3 is to add travel plans. So just enter your travel dates, including departure and return dates, and then you want to enter the country or city that you plan to visit, and then choose which Chime card you want to notify. It could be debit card or it could be a credit card. The fourth step, of course, is to confirm travel notifications. So just verify your travel plans, including dates and destination, and confirm the travel notification to alert Chime of your travel plans. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Chime's travel notification feature. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.